This is the Lambretta on which I am working. If you simply check for the distance of the holes, this much is the distance for modification. We have to come this side very little for modifying this for 150cc. This is Lambretta GP200 manifold. It will look like this. This is Carburetor Manifold GP200. Both are same. When you compare GP200 with 150, the 150 manifold is small. When you check the diameter of this, it is near about 40.5. The thickness is near about approximately, I am saying, not exactly, approximately 9.3 mm. Whereas when you come to Li, near about 28. The thickness is same almost all. Mm. It is little bit lengthy compared to this. See, it is little bit lengthy. It is near about 0.045 kg. Let us check this. It is weighing little bit more, 0.105 kg. See, all three are standard cylinders. This is the standard cylinder. The inlet port is small, very small. Whereas, see, the inlet port, see the difference. This is GP200, this is 150. And you have to modify this also little bit. There is a place here to modifying, there is a lot of space here. What I did is that I modified the port. You can check it. This is the 150cc cylinder only, not big one. 150cc cylinder, see, same. And this one also. I ported this, see. Now it has to match. I have to do little work on this. This side is okay, this side is. Basically, I want to say is that the difference between GP200 and 150 will be like this. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.